Hi, it's Harry from Berthon. Today we're about to head out onto the Solent to photograph and film this 2016 Princess 56. And as soon as we get back into the marina, Hugh's going to take you for a tour around our interior, around on deck and down in the engine room. Enjoy.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You've just seen this beautiful Princess 56 Margot being put through her paces out in the Solent. She is a 2016 example of her types. She's a big Flybridge motor yacht powered by twin Volvo D13-800 diesels. We're going to just take a quick look on board around her accommodation, take a view into the engine bay, up on her Flybridge and show you what she does. So at the aft end we have a high-low platform, all electro-hydraulically managed. She is fitted with the crew cabin, which has air conditioning, trunks from the main saloon. We've got this beautiful area for relaxing after a day out on the water with friends and family, under this Flybridge overhang. Teak floored, she's got a large sofa in there, access doors into her main saloon, which we'll visit in a moment, but let's take a look around her decks first of all. So she's not fitted with teak to her side decks, so really easy for maintenance. She's a full Mediterranean spec vessel, so she has tropical air conditioning, high-low platform, passerelle. Anchoring is done from this safe spot up forward. It can of course be managed from either helm. Also, we have a foredeck area with sun pads when needed and plenty of handholds for moving around the boat. Twin Carlenberg air horns and two large windscreens. So we've got a helm position up on the Flybridge, helm position down below, both easily worked. So really good attention to detail by Princess here. So they've been building down in Plymouth in the UK for some considerable time. Walking aft, we have really good sized hydraulic deck gear, powered winches. She has a passerelle and the high-low platform. Walking up these shallow treads onto the Flybridge area. So we've got the wet bar over to port. We'll have a look in there in a moment. Main helming position also over to port. She's got a 12-inch plotter in there from Ray Marine. We've got upgrades continually through this boat. Massive, really comfortable and social area, curving around on the Flybridge with a sun pad area when needed at the forward end. Got a griddle in here, sink and an isotherm fridge, also installed in this wet bar with some handy storage. Beautifully done table. She's got a big 48-inch radar, super high definition. And then this is the main helm position with adjustable wheel, 12-inch plotter, upgraded bow and stern thrusters, which have also variable thrust. It's a great place to drive this big, powerful boat from. So moving aft, we'll just have a quick look around the cockpit and then head into the accommodation on her. So walking over the main engine bay access hatch here with a large locker over to port for storage, Fusion stereo system, and this is the main saloon, so it's trimmed in miso platinum. We have a 6-seater saloon sofa with coffee table over to starboard. The smaller facing sofa to port. She's trimmed in satin walnut joinery throughout in absolutely mint condition. Nice little sofa over here. We've got crystal storage in this smoked glass locker over to the port side. Independent air conditioning. There's a fridge in there for drinks. And then looking forward, a couple of shallow steps up, and we've got the main galley over to starboard. Helm position is forward of that with twin helm seats. And then just panning around to port. Got a 4-seater dinette in putty leather and a facing galley over to starboard. So the galley area is really sociable. There is no break between you and the people that you're looking after. Fully fitted with appliances, all in stainless steel. Big isotherm fridge here. Amazonia brown galley worktops, large double sink. Then we have a Fisher & Paykel dishwasher underneath here. Hob with extractor, and we're moving forward. Got a pair of chocolate brown leather helm seats. The main helm seat is adjustable fore and aft, adjustable wheel, Volvo screen. Then we've got a Raymarine screen which can pull up all information and give you video feeds as well. So we have video from the engine room on this boat. But moving forward into the forward accommodation, we've got 24 volt switching and a 220 volt circuit there. Main VIP forward cabin. So there are blinds just with the windows set behind them. Got ensuite access to heads. Really nice ceramic sink in there by Perrin & Rowe. Lots of mirrors, so plenty of light throughout. We've got a full walk-in shower aft and quite flush loos. So that's the ensuite access direct in from the forward VIP. And over to the starboard side there's a large hanging wardrobe. There's also day head access from the main lobby area into the forward heads. And then looking across the boat we have this guest twin. There's a powered motor to turn this into a double when required. A couple of opening port lights, and again plenty of hanging space, independent air conditioning controls, and TV on there, etc. Moving aft, down 3 steps and we're at the deck level, the floor level of the main midships master. So it's a full beam master cabin with a large king size walk around double berth, 2-seater dressing table over to port, trimmed in bone leather, large double fronted wardrobe, big Samsung 40-inch TV, again independent air conditioning, masses of light, huge amount of headroom. It's all beautifully trimmed out in this immaculate satin gloss walnut. And then we have access into your ensuite heads through this pocket door. So the forward area is a full walk-in shower, Carrera flooring, again cocoa white tops, nice Perrin & Rowe basin, quite flush loo just down to the left there, masses and masses of storage for whatever you need. Then we have a washer dryer hidden neatly under these companionway steps, just beneath my feet here. Another couple of steps when moving aft through the dinette. We'll go and have a look at the heart of this, which is a pair of D13 Volvo Penta engines, which are just underneath the hatch here. Just over to the right there is a flip-up hatch that gives you access down into the crew cabin. So it's fully fitted out with its own facilities, own air conditioning, and can be used either for really useful storage or for carrying a crew when required. So we've got a nicely insulated hatch, beautifully finished by Princess. So the teak laid floor, really good size fiddles throughout. We've got a pair of D13 engines. So these are 12.8 litre turbocharged, driving through ZF reduction gearboxes. They've only run for 335 hours, have been fully serviced for the 2023 season. It's a really proficient fit out. So we've got automatic fire extinguishing, 2,650 litres of fuel. We have dual CPAR filters with switchover to eliminate any fuel contamination. It's beautifully done. Master volt charger there, more 24-volt system switching. Raymarine camera monitoring and exhaust fans for the engine compartment. And then moving aft, we have this separate useful storage area. And over to port is an Onan 13.5 kVA generator. So that was an upgrade to run everything on this vessel. So she is absolutely fully stacked. In only her second ownership from new. Carpets replaced. She is immaculately clean and available on the brokerage market from Berthon now. Many thanks for watching.